Welcome to your daily self-improvement. In today's video, we will summarize Crucial Conversations. Crucial Conversations is a book written by Kerry Patterson, Joseph Grenny, Ron McMillan, and Al Switzler. It provides practical strategies and tools for effectively handling difficult conversations in both personal and professional settings. The authors emphasize the significance of these conversations, as they often determine the outcomes of critical situations and have a lasting impact on relationships. The book begins by defining a crucial conversation as any discussion that involves high stakes, strong emotions, and opposing viewpoints. The authors argue that the ability to navigate such conversations is essential for personal growth, building strong relationships, and achieving successful results. They stress the importance of addressing these conversations head-on, rather than avoiding or mishandling them, as this can lead to negative consequences and strained relationships. The authors introduce the concept of dialogue as a key skill for effective communication in crucial conversations. Dialogue is a free-flowing exchange of ideas and perspectives, where all parties feel safe to express their thoughts openly. They contrast dialogue with silence, withholding meaning from the conversation, and violence, using force or coercion to get one's way. The authors emphasize the need to create a safe space for dialogue by promoting mutual respect, shared purpose, and a focus on facts rather than assumptions. The book provides practical tools and techniques to help individuals navigate crucial conversations successfully. The authors introduce the STATE method as a framework for managing emotions during these conversations. STATE stands for stop, think, ask, tell, and encourage. It encourages individuals to pause, reflect on their emotions and motives, seek understanding from others, express their views honestly, and promote dialogue by encouraging others to share their perspectives. The authors also introduce the CPR method for handling conversations when emotions run high. CPR stands for content, pattern, and relationship. It encourages individuals to separate the content of the conversation from patterns that have emerged and the overall impact on the relationship. By addressing each aspect separately, individuals can focus on finding a mutual purpose and maintaining healthy relationships. The book delves into various crucial conversation scenarios, including addressing sensitive topics, giving and receiving feedback, and resolving conflicts. It provides strategies for preparing oneself before engaging in these conversations, such as identifying the desired outcome, understanding personal motives, and gathering relevant facts. The authors stress the importance of mastering the art of listening, as it allows individuals to fully understand others' perspectives, validate their feelings, and build rapport. Throughout the book, the authors emphasize the power of storytelling in conveying messages effectively. They highlight the role of stories in shaping conversations, engaging emotions, and influencing behavior. By using stories, individuals can make their points relatable and memorable, facilitating understanding and connection. The authors also address the challenges of handling crucial conversations in group settings. They provide guidance on how to create a shared pool of meaning, encourage participation, manage divergent viewpoints, and foster a collaborative environment. They stress the importance of building a culture of dialogue within teams and organizations, where open communication is valued, and differing opinions are seen as opportunities for growth and innovation. Crucial Conversations concludes by reminding readers that effective dialogue is a lifelong journey and a continuous learning process. The authors encourage individuals to approach crucial conversations with humility, curiosity, and a commitment to growth. They emphasize the transformative power of mastering crucial conversations, both in personal relationships and professional endeavors. In summary, Crucial Conversations provides a comprehensive guide for handling difficult conversations effectively. It equips readers with practical tools, strategies, and insights to navigate high-stakes discussions, manage emotions, and build stronger relationships. The book serves as a valuable resource for anyone seeking to improve their communication skills, resolve conflicts, and achieve successful outcomes in crucial conversations. By emphasizing the importance of dialogue, the authors empower readers to engage in open, honest, and respectful discussions that lead to mutual understanding and agreement. Are you ready to unlock the power of crucial conversations and revolutionize your communication skills? Don't miss out on the invaluable wisdom shared in crucial conversations. Take action today and head over to Audible to experience the audio version of this transformative book. By immersing yourself in the audio edition of Crucial Conversations, you'll have the opportunity to listen to the author's insights, guidance, and practical strategies in their own voices. Their expertise will come alive, enriching your learning experience and enabling you to grasp the nuances of effective communication in crucial conversations. With Audible, you can access crucial conversations anytime, anywhere, whether you're on your daily commute, engaged in household chores, or simply relaxing with a cup of coffee. Let the knowledge seep into your mind as you absorb the lessons that can truly transform the way you approach challenging conversations. Invest in your personal growth and professional success by embracing the power of crucial conversations. Head over to Audible now and embark on an enriching journey towards mastering the art of dialogue. Equip yourself with the tools to navigate high-stakes discussions, build stronger relationships, and achieve positive outcomes. Remember, the audio version of Crucial Conversations on Audible is not just an audiobook. It's a gateway to unlocking your potential as a skilled communicator. Don't wait any longer, take this crucial step towards personal and professional transformation. Head over to Audible today and embark on an inspiring, empowering, and enlightening journey with Crucial Conversations. You can find the link to this book in the description below. Make it a great day. Enjoy.